Hey, congratulations. I'm super excited for you to be one of our vendor partners and help you take your business to that next level. So this is our YouTube Masterclass. So I'm super excited about this. I believe this is going to be game changing in all that we're offering on this. I truly believe the businesses who are partnered here, there's only 20 spots, are going to be those businesses that go truly take a quantum leap in their life and in their business. So you're going to be getting a 90-day one-on-one group coaching where we get your YouTube up and running effectively. We're going to help you strategize and set up that authority funnel, which is the YouTube and the landing page. We're talking about handling objections, the YouTube setup, the proper SEO, discovering who the exact avatar is, setting up your playlist, what videos to shoot, what videos not to shoot, best practices for being on camera, all of those things, simple video setups if you're shooting it yourself or if you're hiring a team, what to look for, creating the right playlist, editing the SOPs for my thumbnails and SOP for YouTube that I use, setting up your tags, your titles, your scripting, all of the SOPs that we use in our business, we're giving to you guys. What equipment you need, what equipment you don't need, how to set up the right hook, CTAs, and obviously my feedback to you guys and saying, hey, this is what I would do if I were you, or hey, switch that or change that. Here's the thumbnail that I think that you should use here. And then how to make your videos go viral, how to get more views on your videos, how to get them out to your database and unlock the hundreds of thousands of dollars that's in your database, setting up the right ads, landing page, setting up the right automation so you're not having to respond to every single ad that, or person that comes into your funnel, that you're making sure that they're responding to you, and truly setting up attraction based marketing, right? And then getting you set up for your season 2, and what's the next playlist that you're getting set up, the lifestyle stuff that you're doing, setting up your case studies for your clients and reviews and referrals, all of those things. So I'm super excited about this 90-day intensive course. And then those who are partnered with us today are going to get access to my editing team. And I believe that's going to be a game-changing thing for you because it's going to be super cheap. So you're getting access at a discounted rate, cheaper than what I'm paying, just because I'm saying, hey, I'm going to bring you guys this type of volume. So I'm super excited about everything that you're getting access to in our YouTube Masterclass. And those who are with us for the next 90 days are truly going to take off. So go ahead and click the link below and you'll get that. If you're not interested, go ahead and click the one below that. And we'll see you. And regardless, you're partnered with us and I'm excited. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye.